And I'm back. It's a brand new day of trading. Today is Tuesday, September 9th, 2025 at 6:30, and the market is open. I'll wait our first 5 minutes, get some levels set. Had a semi-decent day yesterday, so I'm going to play it light today. Wait for our break and retest. Alright, pretty simple. There's 635. We have our 5-minute low, 5-minute high with our pre-market highs and our pre-market low. This is our previous day high, previous day low. We had extremely strong rejection off the 5-minute low in this upward trend line. Buyers pushing the market back up. We'll see how the next couple candlesticks react. The sellers are pushing this down more. There's the second break into our 5-minute low. We'll see how the candlestick closes. Twice that happened. That was great. Sellers brought this down below our 5-minute low, below our upward trend line, and the buyers were able to push it all the way back up. We broke into our 5-minute low again. We are breaking this upward trend line. Buyers were struggling to get above our 200 EMA here. We do have a lot of signs pointing to the downside. Our 200 EMA, these 9 and 21 EMAs. We got our break into our 5-minute low, getting a little bit of a retest. Much better displacement than I want to see. Good. Now let's see if we could retest back up into the 5-minute low, fail here, and I'll hop into a short. There's the retest up into our 5-minute low. Hasn't tapped it yet, but we're getting there. I want to see if the buyers are going to try and break through.
Order submitted.
Sellers are struggling to push this down. They're holding it below our 5-minute low. The buyers push pretty hard to keep this up. Making new lows of days, low of day. We'll see how it reacts with our pre-market lows. I want to see a strong breakthrough our pre-market low, and I'll add into my position. Retesting the 5-minute low again. Strong price action to the upside. Let's see if the sellers can push this down now. That was a candlestick close above our 5-minute low. Buyers are stepping up, bring it back above our 5-minute low. Looks like this move was wrong.
Order canceled.
Alright, we're going to wait a little bit, see what this move does. Sellers are reclaiming our 5-minute low.
Order submitted.
Retesting the pre-market lows again, and the buyers are just holding this level really strong. We're getting in a bit of a squeeze. Buyers brought that back above our 5-minute. low, stepping up. Whoa, really strong. Really strong reaction by the sellers pushing this back down.
Orders submitted.
Sellers are holding our pre-market low. I created a new low of day. Let's see this candlestick close below it. Got a little bit of consolidation happening right now. Sellers were able to hold below our pre-market low. We closed the 5-minute candle that was below our level. Buyers are trying to hold above our pre-market low level. They were able to push the candlestick above it. Retesting back into our 5-minute lows. Strong price action to the upside. I don't know if the sellers still have the steam in them to bring it back down. Buyers have stepped up and taken control, reclaimed their 5-minute low. I'm probably going to get stopped out again. Very strong move to the upside. All that we have left is this 200 EMA. And this downward trend line that it's breaking above. Look at that strength. Alright, well, we're going to wait to see us break above our 5-minute high, and we're going to hop into a long. Everything was pointing to the downside today, and buyers just said, no, screw that. We are taking control. It's frustrating. Let's see a retest into this level, and I'll hop into a long. Nice, look at that. Buyers are pushing that up. See if the sellers have any last in them. Nope. Sellers are done for the day.
Order submitted.
I guess I spoke too soon on saying the sellers are done for the day. Let's go, buyers. Push this back up above here. I made a really wrong move. Okay. We are in a ton of range today, and I have been making some big mistakes. Told myself I wanted to trade small today, and ego got a hold of me, and I started trading big, thinking I knew what the move was going to be. Yeah, here comes the sellers again. Look at this. Reverse that.
Order submitted.
Yeah, I'm sorry guys. Today is a really bad day of trading. I actually need to hop out of this trade. We're back below our 5-minute low. Sellers need to reclaim this. Good. Buyers are trying to come back into our 5-minute low. Had a slight break above it. Probably not going to get a big move today. We're going to stay in a bit of a range and chop. I'm stressing out right now on this move. Buyers brought that back above our 5-minute low. Sellers really need to reclaim. They kept pushing all these candlesticks down. We're getting a crazy amount of consolidation right at our 5-minute low level. Buyers are holding an upward trend line. Downward, sellers are also holding this downward trend line. So that was another 5-minute candlestick close. That was a close below our 5-minute low. All right, let's hopefully see the sellers cut through our pre-market lows and make our way down. Buyers are holding our pre-market lows. Between these two levels, there's been so much consolidation and chop. Approaching our first price target.
Order canceled.
Nice. Created a new low of day. I want to see us break down into 760.
Order submitted.
New resistance level.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order canceled.
All right, I had a crazy recovery. I'm ending the day green. Commissions got me a little bit as well, though. Commissions probably got me a lot in all of this. I'm done. So that was not a good day, not a good day of trading. I'm going to go back and rewatch and see where I went wrong, but a lot of do nots in this. Anyway, thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you tomorrow.